You may have a unique methodology that you're using, whether it's in medicine or it's in coaching or it's in, any other realm that you work in, and you want to explain that. And by putting out a book about it, people get to know your book as well. And it also gives credibility when you have a book. I think a book gives credibility. Back in the day, I used to tell people I was a doctor and be like, wow, you're a doctor. And then nobody cares about that anymore. But I tell people that I've written 3 books and it's like, wow, you're an author. So it's like a whole different world now. The royalties is what you get after the distributor takes their percentage. And for example, if Ingram Spark takes your book, they take 16%. Then they send it to Amazon because maybe someone bought your book on Amazon. Amazon takes 40%. Then you have to subtract the cost of printing your book. And whatever's left is your royalties, minus any publisher fees. So when you split that 50-50, you could be talking about, a buck 75, maybe less. So the real question I think that you should ask yourself is, do you want to share your earnings or not?